meeting for the 11th of December, our last full council meeting for the year. I'd like to welcome the public and also councillors, please ensure that your microphones are on and pointing towards you, Councillor Johnson. And also the apologies from His Worship the Mayor, otherwise engaged in business. So I see that only the Mayor with his apologies, so can I have a move and a second of those apologies be accepted? Thank you, Councillor Kirk, and second by Councillor Minster. All those in favour? Aye. Those against? Good. Right, item number one, our first presentation. Welcome, Rebecca, Mrs. Harvey, from Youth Town. Yep, come on up. You'd like to play a DVD for the first 7 minutes, is it about 7 minutes? Yep.
I'll just explain a little. Good afternoon. I am the branch manager for Youth Town South Coast. Youth Town is an amazing place, and I guess it's really hard to explain in a report what we do, so I thought I'd bring along a little DVD and actually explain. So if you don't like loud music, I'm sorry there's a little bit of that there, but we are dealing with teenagers, and for teenagers they love loud music. So I'll whip through the DVD and then we will go through a quick presentation and I'll talk to you around our key statistics for the year. Sit back and enjoy it. See how much fun our teenagers have.